Hello, I'm in a 2015 Range Rover Evoque, and today I'm going to show you to switch between miles and kilometers for your odometer displays and things like that. So from here, we're going to use this OK and these up and down arrows. So I'm going to hit OK, and then scroll down to trip computer, hit OK, and then we'll scroll down until you get to units, OK, and then here you can switch to whichever makes more sense, and you can see it update in real time. And then, so you notice how it still has miles per hour here and kilometers there. This one's in a separate menu, so we'll go change that. So I'm just, again, everything's okay and up and down. So from the main screen, I'm in OK, scroll to instrument display, OK, and then down to digital speedometer, OK. You can just turn it off if you want, but we'll turn it to kilometers, and now these match. So everything's kilometers, and it just auto saves, so you don't have to do anything else. I'm going to switch them back to miles since I'm in the United States. So just a reverse process here, same thing again. Clicking arrows and then the OKs. And then back to trip computer to switch the odometer readings and trip readings and all that. So units. Okay. And again, everything was just with this. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.